welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video I will be sharing the 5 best exercises to target your glutes without putting too much stress on your legs. So whether your goal is to grow your glutes or to just maintain them, these exercises are perfect to achieve these goals. So usually I would do a voiceover. However, I do not have a reliable microphone. I was using my laptop and I thought it was good. When I was editing, it sounded perfect. But then when I went on YouTube and watched my old video, I realized the audio was really bad. So I am going to just use my camera and just like do the voiceover thing. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we're going to figure it out. Anyway, let's get into this video. So the first exercise, which is like actually one of my favorite exercises, is the hip thrust. To perform this exercise, you have to sit on the floor with your back against a bench, place a barbell across your hip and lean back. Then you have to raise your hips towards the ceiling, squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement. These exercises will primarily target the glutes and is a great way to isolate them without putting too much stress on your legs. So I do these ones about like twice a week, and it's really easy to overload because I like doing progressive overloads. So it's really good exercise. I usually like using the barbell instead of the a dumbbell because again, it's much easier, it's much comfortable as well to just like balance out the weight. I also want to say that I like using the shorter bar because it requires less energy for me to like balance out the weight. I can just focus on the movements instead of just trying to focus on getting the weight up and just like balancing it, and it's just like much easier for me. The second exercise on our list is glute bridges. Similar to hip thrusts, the glute bridges target the glutes without overdeveloping the legs. So to perform glute bridges, you have to lie down flat on your back with your knees bent and feet on the ground. Then you have to raise your hips towards the ceiling and squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement. This exercise is also great to strengthen your lower back and core muscles. And if you guys didn't know, again, I say that in every single video, I do have a lower back injury. So I've been trying to rehabilitate it by doing different exercises. And also just like being more mindful of how much stress I put on my lower back. So exercises that target multiple muscles and work my lower back and core are usually my top ones because again, I don't have like all day to work on like just strengthening my cores and my lower back. So if I can find an exercise that does like 5 things at once, I'm always with that one. I'm always with it.
I got every right how to talk, how I wanna talk. Catch me on a flight down south, up and down your block. Call me when he want, but he don't know when I pick up. I'm on the move, do what I do. Money comes smooth, do I want come through? These boys so thirsty, they need water. 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 Everybody want it, everybody want it. 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 I won't pay you mind unless you pay.
The third exercise on our list is cable kickbacks. This exercise isolates your glutes while minimizing activation on your legs. So to perform a cable kickback, attach an ankle strap to a lower cable machine. I got my ankle strap from Amazon. You can get them from pretty much anywhere really if your gym doesn't provide it, because I know some gyms don't provide the extra stuff, but they're very easy to get on Amazon, and I only got like one for $20, so that I think one should be fine because I just alternate between legs. Anyway, so back to how to do a cable kickbacks. So you're going to attach this ankle strap to a lower cable machine, then stand facing away from the machine and kick your legs back, squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. This exercise is great for targeting the glutes and improving their shape. I am currently working on building my lower glutes because I feel like I've been putting a lot of emphasis on my upper glutes, and now my lower glutes is like not as developed or like as nicely shaped as I want it to be. So these ones are a staple in my glute routine. And if you don't have an ankle strap, you could just use a handle attachment like I'm using, and I'm just showing you how it works.
Another husband in my DMs, sir. Aren't you engaged?
The fourth exercise on our list is kneeling leg raises. This exercise specifically targets the glutes medius, a small muscles within the glutes. To perform a kneeling leg raise, kneel on all fours and raise one leg out to the side, keeping the knee bent and foot flexed. Then lower your leg back down, repeat on either side. This exercise is great for improving your hip stability and reducing your risk of injuries. I usually add resistant band to this exercise because I find it a little bit more challenging, and I do feel the burn a bit faster.
I won't pay you mind unless you PayPal me. You know my time is money and I charge hourly. It's not about the bag, you can up and leave. I got bills, don't got time, got a place to be. Ask me this time I want it. Give me a card and charge it. Buy me a glass, give me a meal, tell me I'm pretty, I've flown it. If I'm eating good, then my girl's eating too. Got my bestie in the whip, driving to the best view. Tell me this and that, I don't care what you do at the end.
Okay, so the fifth and final exercise on our list is the glute isolation machine. This machine is designed specifically to target the glutes without engaging the legs. It allows you to perform a variety of exercises such as glute extension, glute abduction, and glute kickbacks, all of which work the glutes without growing the legs. This machine is perfect for those who want to focus only on their glutes.
Water, everybody want it. 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 Everybody want it.
And there you have it, guys. These are the best exercises to target your glutes without putting too much stress on your legs. Remember to consult a certified fitness professional to ensure proper form and technique to avoid injuries. Incorporate these exercises in your workout routine and you will see significant improvement in the shape and the size of your glutes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness videos. Bye bye. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.